Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that when you order a card or you may do any action in your Cash App account, you may face a problem that this action is not available to customers under 18. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then you may open your App Store and you may update your Cash App from here. After this, you may open your Cash App and you may log in and sign in with your account, and then guys you make sure that you have above 18 or 18 plus. So guys, if you have not under 18, then guys, if you show this type of error, then you may click here on your profile icon and you may scroll it down, and here you may see that here is the option of support. So you may click here and you may click here on chat, and you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them to update your date of birth. And if you are 18 plus, then show them your documents and prove them that you are 18 plus, and then guys they will update your date of birth. And now guys you can enjoy all your Cash App benefits, and you can send money or you can activate your card from here easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.